I want to show you how anyone can collect multiple investment news articles from Betakit.com in minutes, developers and non-developers alike. Start on Betakit.com, where the investment news results are already visible on screen. At this point, click the icon in the toolbar to open Minexa.ai's Chrome extension and get started. With Minexa.ai open, click the violet "I'm on the right page" button. It scans the layout and detects the investment news articles list. The scan is complete, structure detected, and Minexa.ai is ready to move forward with scraping the investment news. Now pick whether you want to scrape just the list or extract full details from each investment news article's page as well. Click Continue or choose Advanced to define clicks, scrolls, or inputs before the investment news list appears, if needed. Minexa.ai found and highlighted the data container. Hit Create Scraper and it studies the page once, then knows exactly what to pull. Minexa.ai detected every field on the page for investment news articles, like titles, dates, and deal details. Pick what you need and reuse this scraper forever. Developers, click the API request button. The trained scraper knows exactly where each value lives, so nothing gets mixed up. Finalize the scraper by clicking Complete Configuration to confirm your settings and prepare for extraction. Minexa.ai detected how to move through pages automatically, so every run collects the full set of investment news results. One click, and the job is saved. You can optionally set a schedule or connect to Google Sheets before running. The setup is complete. Click Run, and Minexa.ai handles the rest, extracting fresh investment news data automatically. The extracted data shows clean rows of investment news, including article titles, publication dates, authors, and SPAC deal details. Missing data fields remain blank, ensuring no false or fabricated values, so your dataset stays trustworthy without manual checks after each run. Hit Export and save your dataset as an Excel file, ready to open and analyze immediately. That is the full process. A few minutes of setup delivers clean data from any website for anyone. Developers can go further with the API and scale affordably beyond typical costs.